Alright, hopefully I'll remember this right. X minus h squared plus y minus k squared, right? Whereas h and k are the center, right? And it equals the radius squared, right? So in this case, if we're going to write the formula, we just plug it in. And they just become opposite signs. So if it's x minus h, whereas this is h and this is k, right? So it's x minus 9 squared plus y minus, and so minus a minus 9 makes a plus 9, right?
Yeah.
Okay? And then equals the radius squared. So that's just the square root of 10 squared, which is 10. Done, hon. That's simple. What? Circles are easy. Okay? So if I was to graph this, then I would look at where the center is. The center is the opposite of this for the x, that would be 9, and the opposite of this for the y, which would be negative 9. See how they got that? Then I would graph it. 9, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. And then negative 9, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. And then it would be like right here. And then the circle, right, the radius would be 10. The radius is 10, which means I come over to 1, right? And then I come around. Sorry, that's not a very good circle. And come around and be over here at 10 plus the 9 would put us at 19. So this would be at 19, right? This would be at negative 1, right? Then we would know this would be 9 above this, which would be at 1. Well, this isn't very square. But, you know, what I'm saying. Should I do it a little better? Alright, let's make it more square. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. Alright. So then I would have another dot out here, because the radius is 10. And 10 plus this would put us at 1, right? And then 10 plus this would be 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Would be out here. And then the other one would be down there. But this would be our circle. Right? Does that make sense?
How did you do that?
Well, because my radius is 10. So I just went over 10 spaces. I went up 10 spaces. I went over 10 spaces. Right? And just drew my circle.
Wait, is that 9 over negative 9 on the center?
Yeah, the center is remember, opposite of this was positive 9 in the x direction, and then down 9 in the y direction. So the center is 9, 9.
Oh, then you just go over.
And then you just go over 10, up 10, over 10, and draw your circle.
Oh, okay.
Got it?
Yeah.
All right. So that brings us to 18. I might as well just keep that on the same. I'm going to bring 18 over here. Okay. Can somebody read me 18 so I can just draw it on this board?
Off of yours?
Oh, did we all have different ones?
Yeah.
Oops. Just kidding. Okay. My 18.
Oh no, this class had all the same ones.
Yeah, this class did. That's what I thought. Alright, so my 18 says that you have x plus 2 squared plus y minus 4 squared equals 1. Right? So my radius is the square root of this. What is the square, or no, this is the radius. Wait. Oh, my bad. My bad. That shouldn't be 10 over. That should be the square root of 10 over, which is like 3 point something. Yeah. So I graphed that thing wrong. Because remember, this is the radius squared. Right? The radius squared. So if we think about that, in this case, it's not going to matter. Because what's the square root of 1? It's just 1, right? Okay? But in that case, it'd be the square root of 10, which is 3 point, blah, 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 right? We'd go over 3, go over 3, go up 3, go down 3, and do the circle. Should I fix that circle over there? Here, I'll do it from way across the room. Zoom in. Okay. What I'm going to do to fix the circle is the square root of 10 is really, well, 3 times 3 is 9, right? So it's going to be about 3.1. So we figure we go up 1, 2, 3, and 0.1. Go over 1, 2, 3, and 0.1. 1, 2, 3, and 0.1. And 1, 2, 3, and 0.1. And then we draw our circle. And that would be the actual circle. Because it's only got a radius of the square root of 10. The square root of 10 is like 3.1. Okay? Does that make better sense on that? Sorry about that.
Yes.
Writing it as 10. Silly me. Okay? So coming back to this one. Okay? We're going to deal with the radius as being 1. Because the square root of 1 is 1. Right? But what's the center? Anybody know the center? Come on, help me out.
Is it 2 and 4?
Oh, it's so close. What'd you say?
2 and 4.
So close. Try again.
Does it have to have the squares? 4 and 2.
No.
2 squared, 4 squared?
No. You're closer first time. Remember, they're opposites. Opposite of this.
Negative 2, 4.
And 4. Yeah. You were so close. 2 and 4, right? So always the opposites because it's x minus h. Right?
Yeah.
So they're just opposite. Opposite of plus 2, minus 2. Opposite of minus 4, plus 4. So negative 2, 1, 2. Right? And then positive 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. So that would be right here, right? And then what's my radius? 1, 1, 1, 1. And there's my circle. What? Yeah, boy. Okay. So the next one. Oh, what problem was that? 18? So the next one's problem 19. But 19's not that hard. Or is it? Okay? So basically they say it's x plus 1 squared plus y squared equals 25. So first of all, can you tell me what the radius is? Remember,
25.
r squared equals 25, so the square root r equals 5. Good.
I wasn't sure.
Okay? Now,
And I didn't
here's the bad part. I need something inside of this. It's not telling me anything.
What?
So I need, no, the other thing is really easy. Not 1, but 0, right? Not neck, 0. Right? Got you looking. Better hit that neck. Alright, so I got y, right?
You know what next? Never mind.
Minus, I know, but minus 0, okay? So minus 0 is still y, right? Right? So minus 0 is still y. And then x plus 1, right? And now we have it in the terms, right, of your formula. So what's the opposite of plus 1?
Minus 1.
Minus 1. And there's no opposite of 0, right? So it says minus 1 and 0. So we're going to have negative 1. So we're going to draw this in blue and green. So negative 1 and 0 would be right there, right? And then our radius would be 5. So that means I'm going to go up 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Right 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. And then down. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Right?
We have 2 graphs. Do we write it on the other graph or keep it on the
Yeah, you write it on the other graph. I was just trying to keep it simple
Okay.
for the video. And that's our circle. Yay, team.
That's one.
Does that make sense? Circles are easy, right? X squared plus y squared equals r squared. That's a circle. What? What?